When we introduce our Upshift project to peers and adults alike, we're met with surprised and inquiring faces, as well as a question: what relation is there between youth and urban planning, and where does air quality come into play here? To answer that, our vision is of an inclusive and sustainable city, which simply means that we believe that if the voices of the local community as a whole are heard and amplified in decision-making processes, we can create beautifully planned city spaces that truly cater to the dreams and aspirations of every citizen. We ought to strive for cities that do exactly so by enhancing collaboration between policymakers and citizens and by building social cohesion in our communities. Other than that, it's important for our modern cities to be sustainable, eco-friendly, and prioritize air quality.
How do we achieve this in a reality where the culture of civil participation is fairly dim and citizens simply aren't aware that a cleaner, greener city and society starts with a good, sustainable, and yes, participatory urban planning? We empower and educate young people on these principles because time and time again, it is these young people who have shown the longest lasting social and cultural impact.
Gamifying Shkodra, a project built with lots of passion during 3 intensive days in the Upshift workshop. We have created an interactive board game inspired by the famous Monopoly that simplifies the complicated real-life scenarios of city planning by encouraging young people to collaborate with each other in designing spaces for their own city. Young people choose to role-play as a local stakeholder from municipality to citizen, investor and NGOs and compete on which group completes the objectives determined for each role, which relate to buying assets to place in the plan for the urban space.
An NGO may demand investments in green roofs, citizens want more public spaces, and investors will prioritize the private sector. There's a lot that goes into the game. Assets are bought, sold, and exchanged. Groups may compete or collaborate with each other, all in the pursuit of achieving their objectives. All while the game is accompanied by an organizer like me, who stops in between rounds to discuss decisions made and their impact in the urban space, providing valuable information on green, sustainable, and youth-friendly cities.
Young people learn by doing and getting emotionally involved in the game such that they come out empowered to bring about change. And with the knowledge that they're equipped with, they can now actively contribute and participate in public hearings, city hall meetings, and discussions with the local youth council. They demand their right to the city, express their needs not only related to urban planning, but also their desire to build a city that is in line with nature and the environment.
By now, we have reached 300 students from 3 community center high schools in Shkodra, and we are hoping to expand or reach to even more diverse youth groups.
What we need to do at the moment is to build a stronger platform and network to promote our project and its values in order to have more young people join in, a task we're currently working on.
Other than that, we would look forward to receiving assistance regarding technical aspects of the game such that it can more effectively reflect the real-life urban dynamics of the city, an area where we believe the municipality of Shkodra and experts of the field can pitch in. We are excited to see what's next in store for us and really believe in this project as an innovative tool towards a new spirit among Albanian youth and a new perspective for urban planning that is more sensitive to the needs of young people and the community. In a world where sustainable development is in focus, we as young people call for cities to support SDG 11 towards building more inclusive and sustainable communities for all.